Yeah, hey, this is Eric at Repair Resources. We're just working on a Sierra T900, big metal crusher machine, working on a Cummins 8.9 liter engine. We're doing some exhaust work here, custom. Needed in a new, well, you know, accordion or whatever you want to call it. I forget the name of this right off the top of my head, but we got an aftermarket one. Spliced it in here with some step clamps. And then on the engine, we're replacing the injector pump, the high pressure pump. It failed, the bearing failed, so the gear is stuck on it for some reason. So this is kind of uncharted territory, so I'm going to document this and we'll see how we do. All right, thanks. Okay, so we ended up having to cut this gear off of the pump. Pain in the butt, but if you look at it, you can see the grinder here, and then I did it with a torch up here, and amazingly enough didn't hit the back of the timing cover, you know, with any amount of heat to deform it or cut through it. And so we could get this off. You can see how when this failed, it kind of spun and welded itself. You can see the spun weld right there, where it spun welded itself onto the shaft. Kind of rare for this to happen, but it does happen, and it had to happen in this situation where it was back in here behind this timing cover, confined space. So this is what we got right there. We just touched the timing cover a little bit, and up here we didn't discolor really anything up here. Did a really nice job getting that out of there, cleaned it up good. Yeah, we're gonna start putting this thing together, and we'll talk to you then. Yep, Eric Repair Resources. Here's this injector pump. Here's the old one. As I said, it failed. Bearing must have went out. You see that there. And then blew open the case, and yep. Basically, that's what's going on there. And so we're gonna start putting this thing together.